Did you know over 60% of people struggle to lose belly fat? Intermittent fasting could be your game changer. Here's how. Tip number 1. Start slow. Don't jump straight to 16 hours. Begin with 12, and work up over time. Tip number 2. Stay hydrated. Water keeps you full and energized. Black coffee keeps you full and energized. Unsweetened tea keeps you full and energized. Tip number 3. Break your fast with protein and fiber, not junk food. Eggs are perfect to break your fast, rich in protein. Chicken is a lean protein to keep you satisfied longer. Beans add fiber and protein, great for fullness and digestion. Veggies provide fiber, vitamins, and low calories to fill you. Remember, consistency is key for long-term belly fat loss. Intermittent fasting isn't magic, but these 3 tips will help. You'll see real results with time and consistency. Hit like if you're ready to start shedding that belly fat.